Welcome to Omid Academy, where I like to help people learn how to use their cameras for making some moolah, making some cash, whether that's shooting a wedding, a portrait session, whether it's making content for a business like a dentist, a lawyer, making a full-on commercial, whatever it is. I want to bring to you how I have made money using my cameras. Not this camera. This is a film camera, so can't make money from film. So don't get it twisted. Oh, you also can't make money from action cams. That's fake news, dude. Don't buy these action cams. That's obviously a joke. You can make money from anything. I am shooting on the Canon R5, in case you're wondering. It's my favorite camera so far. Versatile, not great dynamic range, not great codecs, but it does the job. So specifically today, I wanted to go over creating content for people who are brands. So let's say influencers, let's say people who want to elevate their position in a company. There's a lot of these people out there, and I think people just don't know about them, so people don't try to apply to shoot for them, or they think there's not enough money because they've been conditioned for someone to say, hey, will you take my photos? My budget's $63. And then they say, okay, I guess people just want to spend $63 on photos, which I promise you is not the case. And I can't be the only person making videos about this, so don't take my word for it. Do your own research. Get out there, figure out where the money is, because you're solving people's problems. For people who want photos, for people who want videos, for people who want content to boost their brand. And if you're solving their problems, if you're helping them make $3,500 from a YouTube sponsorship, then it's worth it for them to spend $1,000 with you to get content to get to that level. I want to go over today on shooting Rosa here at a new studio in LA that I didn't even know existed. Downtown Visual Arts, I believe. I'll link it in there, but it's a new studio, and we shot there recently to get some content for Rosa, for her branding, for her portfolio, so she has content to post. So what I do, because this isn't the first time I've done this, what I do is what I offer is usually we can book a studio so that it's more comfortable, but you don't have to do it in a studio. You can do it in an office. You can do it in many places like that. So what you do is, what I would do is find out what they need. So if they're looking to shoot 3, 5, 10 outfits, figure out that, let's go to 5. If they need 5 outfits, you will need 3 hours to shoot those 5 outfits because you've had experience and you know how long it takes. So you can book a studio for 3 hours and you tell the person, hey, these are the studios. You want to shoot here. It's going to cost some moolah, but you want to make some moolah. So you got to spend some moolah to make that moolah. So the studio will cost, let's say, $250, and then it's your fees. So your session fee, for example, can be $500. So 500 plus 250. So they're spending $750 for their 2 or 3 hour photo shoot with you. And now you're probably wondering, dude, that's not a lot of money. $500. I can make $4,000 from shooting a wedding, bro. Why you selling me short with giving me these small photo shoots? So what you do is you tell them that, hey, you're going to take a lot of photos this day. So like, let's look at this. Right now I'm open in Lightroom and it's 1320. So I probably shot around 2,000 photos to get it down to 1320. And when you tell them, hey, we're going to shoot a lot of photos, I'm going to edit the photos, and then you're going to choose the ones that you want to use or the ones that you want to retouch, whatever your business plan is, then they can purchase more photos. So for example, if I'm delivering these in low res, Rosa will then go pick her favorite ones that she wants edited and retouched to use. And then those are the ones that may be an additional $50, let's say, or $100 per photo. So she will likely spend another $500 or $1,000 or $2,000, whatever her budget is to get that content. And she may spend $500 today and maybe another $750 in a month, and then maybe another $750 in 3 months, because there's a lot of photos to choose from. So that's why I would advise on doing as much variety as possible. Get the outfits that match the person's brand, get headshots, get different editing in there, because they might like one, they might not like the other. And if they're smart, they also know about A/B testing. So they're going to post photos and videos, and they're going to see which ones perform well. So if her outfit with the white performs well, then she may want more of that white outfit to post on her social media. But if the black is doing well, then she might be like, hey, we might want to do the black outfit more. She might purchase more blacks. There's a whole variety of reasons people want content. So don't limit yourself by saying this is only for realtors or this is only for people, influencers who are between 18 to 21. Be a little bit more broad with that. Offer it to, people who are realtors can have photos for their content, but they may not need 100. So they may not be the ideal person you want to market to. People who are influencers may want content every week, so you can market it to influencers. Fashion representatives, people who are trying to get sponsors, people who are trying to get travel companies to sponsor their travels, whatever it is. Put it out there, see what kind of clients you're getting, and then you can market it more towards them if that's what you want. So you put out what you want to get. So I put out, let's say, a lot of this content. People who want similar types of photos, fashionable, glamour, are going to contact me. In previous videos, I had boudoir. So if I post boudoir, then people who are looking for boudoir photos, they may contact me, and so on. So it depends kind of what you're looking for. This one's like more casual. So she may post this or I may post this, and there might be a furniture company that says, hey, we want content. Can you come create these type of photos for our furniture company? Or sometimes they say, we like the model. Can you and the model come? And like our budget is, let's say, $2,500. So then I contact the model, the actress, the influencer, and I'd be like, hey, they're looking for you specifically. I'm creating the content. I'll do all the work. So how about for $1,000 you come out and we'll shoot for 4 hours, and then you take your G. I'll take the rest of it, edit it, and deliver it to the clients. So this is Tana's on the left. She was also the makeup artist and like stylist, and helped with hair, helped with everything. Very talented lady. So she helped Rosa get ready and kind of be the eyes on if something's not right. So these photos are in Lightroom. You see how I'm editing them using my own usual way of editing photos. So I have a flash that's lighting her. Take my saturation vibrance down to here, clarity down a little bit. You can go down a little bit more if there's a headshot, texture up to 10, open up shadows, add a little contrast, decrease highlights. Whites can be there. We can increase a little bit too. Just try not to clip it if you can. Decrease my saturation on yellows, decrease purple and magenta usually because of the fringing that can happen depending on your lens. Now this was, I think, with a 24-70, so there shouldn't be any magenta or purple fringing going on. Luminance down. We got the color grading pretty even out. I think I usually do add a little bit of blues in the shadows. Sharpening up, noise reduction minimal, didn't really boost the ISO. What is the ISO here? It's at 100. Yeah, you don't need noise reduction. So these are the ones that we shot without the flash going off, obviously. So these were a little bit more creative, added some more grain in there. What else do we got? We threw in the makeup artist in there so she can have some photos too, because why not? These were obviously not done with any flash. These were with the natural light coming in. Again, I'm trying to get different content so she has content for her portfolio, so she has content to post. And these were just no flash still using available light. And it just looks great. With a basic 24-70, rated the most boring lens known to mankind. Hey, but it works, right? It works. And then we went outside for a little bit and got some on the street as well. So that's how I would approach content. So you saw hopefully my philosophy, and you know that you can get tons of photos if you book a 3-hour studio session and you have the option of delivering all of them or giving them a proof gallery so they can choose photos. And then that's by doing a great job. That's essentially how you're upselling them. So they purchase more from you and they get the results that they wanted, and they book more shoots from you so that you have one photo shoot a month or a couple of photo shoots a month with each person. And then other people are going to see that, and other people are going to want similar photos, and it spirals and it spirals. And that's how you essentially make a business. Referrals, good quality of work, customer service, all that good stuff. Anything else you want to see, let me know. I'm going to throw some BTS in there too, hopefully along this. Anything else you want to see, let me know. You want to book your own shoot? Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Let's make some magic. This was Arash.